Okay, week 3, day 3. We're back a little earlier than normal. It's supposed to rain again. Mid-July, rain. Not complaining. It's good to have rain in mid-July. Here's what we got. Where we left off. Nothing's changed overnight. We're just gonna finish this wall, get up, do the gable ends, and then hopefully we can start doing a roof. That'll be fun. It's gonna be a good day today. But I won't lie, I need the Lord to provide me some supernatural strength today, because I just don't have it. But we're gonna make it. Why? Because God is good. Yep, all the time. Alright, walls are done. We're going to deal with this end gable peak. And right now, Shelly's figuring out the math. There she is over there, mathing. Let's check on her math. How's your math coming?
Well, it's not the same on both sides.
What did you call this fine piece of paper you have here?
Unrefined paper. So our angle on the north side is just over 23, so just under 24 degrees. But our angle on the south side is just over 24 degrees. So I think I'm just going to split the difference and make it 24 degrees. Are you okay with that?
Am I okay with it? Sure, I don't care. We're winging the whole thing anyway.
Every square. 92.5-ish. All right.
You said 92.5, not ish.
Well, it's 92.53, so it's 92.5-ish.
Half-ish.
It's like a 30-second over.
Chalk line?
Okay.
Are you ready? There's a lot of chalk on that line.
There's way too much chalk on that line.
I almost see way too much chalk on that line. This was your reference line. You're cutting this line.
No, you cut this line and then that other peak
Okay.
and then that other peak.
I'm cutting the outside line.
Yeah, outside line.
But I'm going to this inside edge right there.
Right, and you only have to go to that.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Man, that does not look right, does it? Okay, when you look at the angle of where that one goes and where that one goes, that does not look right. That looks like the angle goes like this.
Well, moment of truth.
Confidence is not high.
Confidence is not high. This end gable wall is done. And where we last left you was Shelly said that her math was off. And it was off. Actually, her math wasn't off. I gave her the right measurement. She wrote it down. But for whatever reason, when she pulled her tape, it didn't come out the same. Hence that little void up there by the peak. I don't know if you could see that. Maybe I'll climb up there and give you a closer look. So, but anyway, when she pulled her tape, it was wrong. So that end gable wall is done. East end gable wall is done. And we're gonna start on the roof. I am left to rip this board by myself, and that's how I'm doing it. Cinder blocks will do. I just gotta get it on the roof. Figured, let's take you with me as I go nail off the top side of this, because your view hasn't been very good lately. Yep, big hat, hard to get up here. Alright, so here's where we're at. This side still has foam board on it. One course anyway. We gotta go do the rest of it. Hello? Oh, you know what? Dang it. Totally forgot. I turned off the air compressor, which means I'll be right back. Air compressor's on. I bet it'll shoot better. Week 3, day 3. So we got over and out. Because my battery's about to die.